Yo, back in the room. So yeah, this week, obviously getting ready for Christmas. I haven't wrapped any of my presents yet. I know, typical bloke. But I have got a very interesting bike in at the minute. I'll show you in the next clip in the video. I've got my mate Oz's knucklehead in here. It's actually, to be honest, is the first knucklehead I've ever worked on. So obviously they're very rare. Not many people, most people who own knuckleheads will work on themselves. But this one's come in just to have a little bit of fabrication work done on it. So I am making I've already made the rear exhaust bracket. We're going to mount some footrest tabs on here. Got to modify the fuel tanks to make them fit, so that'll be quite cool. And then replace the mounts, because the original mounts on here have ovaled. The holes are so oval, just from years of the tanks probably being loose and rattling up and down like that. What else have I got to do on it? Oh, there's another couple of jobs I've got to do on it as well. But very cool bike. I've also purchased a dyno this week, which I have already got up and running. Going to give it a clean. I rode it up the road the other day in the rain, and it is minging. Like, when I picked it up, the bike was like brand new. So that will be up for sale in the next week or two. And yeah, Frank's is fabbed up now. Just ready for him to come over so we can look at some footboard options, and then that's getting taken apart. It's been a very busy week. Oh, and Mark come and dropped his seat off as well for his bike, and took the gearbox away to get not sandblasted, get it soda blasted, so we can strip and rebuild the gearbox and start moving forward with that. So I'll show you what I've been up to. Hope I'm not boring you too much. And this is Dudley come for a visit. Don't need the microphone. Right, here's the dyno I bought the other day. This is a 1998 model. Obviously, Evolution engine. In my opinion, even though I'm a shovelhead man, Evo, best engine ever made. They're bulletproof. And this one's only done 20,000 miles from new. I mean, if you let that sink in, that's less than 1,000 miles a year since it was built. It's in excellent condition. All the wheels are good. All the forks are good. There's no lack of peel on the forks. All the chrome is really good. And it's got a Mikuni HSR 42 on here, which, if anyone knows anything about Evos, knows it makes a hell of a difference. So I've got to give this thing a wash because I got it dirty. And this one will probably be up for sale. Although I really would like to keep it myself. I don't need two Harleys. And this is Oz's knucklehead. And yes, I'm aware it's not an original frame. This has actually got a Palco frame. But it's an original motor, original gearbox. And this has just come in for some fab work to be done on it. Make the tanks fit. Exhaust bracket, well, I've already done that. Mount some footboard brackets. And a few other little jobs. But yeah, these are such a pretty engine. I mean, just look at that. It's lovely, isn't it? And then if we walk over here, you can see Mark's seat's been done. He had this done himself by a guy in London, a friend of his. In the background is James's cool Evo. That's up next as soon as Frank's is stripped down. And then if we just step back, Frank's bike is all fabbed up now. I've just got to go through some footboard options with him, and then that's ready for teardown, welding and powder coat. So yeah, it's going to be a good year next year. Cool, yeah, just look at that, look. Isn't that just nice? Proper bike. So yeah, it's going to be a good year next year. And hopefully you all have a good Christmas. Get spoilt rotten. Eat too much food, drink too much beer or wine or whatever you want. And I will be making lots more videos. So stay tuned. And please like and subscribe. You know the drill by now. But yeah, and then I'll keep making these videos and try not to bore you all too much.